Welcome to Let's Make Learning English Easy. Daily use English sentences with Hindi and English meaning. ज़्यादा नौटंकी मत करो. Do not gimmick too much. Do not gimmick too much. कतई नहीं, यह तो बिल्कुल उचित है. Not at all. It's quite appropriate. वो स्पेशल होते हैं जैसे कि ये वाला. They are special like this one. They are special like this one. उससे बहुत बहुत अधिक. Much much more than that. Much much more than that. मुझे उससे शिकायत है. I have a complaint against him. I have a complaint against him. इस मामले में मैं बहुत सख्त हूँ. I am very strict in this matter. I am very strict in this matter. एक दिन का समय दो. Give me a day's time. Give me a day's time. इस मामले में मुझे मत सानो. Don't involve me in this matter. Don't involve me in this matter. बात साफ है. The matter is clear. The matter is clear. मेरा दिल बाग बाग हो गया. I was overjoyed. I was overjoyed. बात पक्की हो गई. The terms were finalized. The terms were finalized. मैंने वैसा ही किया जैसा मुझे कहा गया था. I did as I was told. I did as I was told. आप जो कहते हैं ठीक है. What you say is right. What you say is right. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It's very hot today. It's very hot today. अंधेरा हो रहा है. इसकी इंग्लिश क्या होगी? Please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share your genuine feedback in the comment section related to this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.